How to recover deleted YouTube videos. So if you want to recover your deleted YouTube videos, then first check your internet connection. If you have a stable internet connection, then open up your YouTube application. You can also go with your YouTube Studio. I'll be here with my application. Now go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, scroll down a bit, and then here on the bottom you will have an option of help and feedback. Tap on that option, and under help and feedback here on the upper right side you will have a three dots icon. Go with that, and then you may have an option of contact us. But if you don't have that option, then you can simply go with send feedback and tap on get started. And here you need to tell them about the issue. So you need to enter that I want to recover my deleted YouTube video. And once you've written your issue, or once you've described your issue, you need to simply go with send, which is on the right side. And once you send the feedback, now YouTube will help you, or it will send you some guide to fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can recover your deleted YouTube videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.